23. The language of nature is the Tao. The language of the Tao is nature. Mindful of this, the sage speaks little, letting actions speak louder than words. Nature keeps conversations short, to the point. Strong winds come and go. When clouds obscure the sun, they too will soon pass. Rains do not last forever. Be like the winds and the rain. Express yourself with precision, then be silent. If you open yourself to the Tao, your nature will be embraced by the oneness that is the Tao. Becoming lost and befriending loss shades relations with the Tao. If you invite loss, judgment, or virtue, it will be as if windows in your home have been thrown open on a stormy day. All the elements, good and bad, swirling about your domain, each a voice needing to be heard. How can we tell them apart? Let them in. They are all temporary. Nothing lasts forever. Trust the Tao, and you will be trusted. Trust nature, and it will become your teacher. When there is no distance between you and the Tao, people will come to trust you as a force of nature. Trust your nature, and everything will find its place.